Okay, so one more part to our angle pair lesson today is using the angle bisector, okay? Bisect, as we said in the last video, means to cut in half. And we drew this example in our notes already, okay? So what you need to know is that when an angle, so the angle bisector in this figure, if they ask you what is the angle bisector, you would say a line AC. You would say AC. Okay, excuse me, ray. Okay, because it starts at A. Okay, starts at A and goes through C. So if they ask you what is the angle bisector of this figure, you would say ray AC. Now, how we all also know it's an angle bisector is because of the two congruency markings. So if angle DAC is 58 degrees, then what's the measure of angle CAB? 58 degrees, okay? So, but now we bring in the algebra connection, okay? It says that angle XAY is 2x plus 10. So go ahead and write that right inside of that angle, okay? And then it says angle, you can't see it, but there's the letter Y. YAZ is 5x minus 17. And it says, what is the measure of angle XAY? And solve for x. So if ray AY is an angle bisector, which cuts the big angle in half, how would we set this up to solve for x? We would set them equal to each other. So we have 2x plus 10 equals 5x minus 17, and we would just solve for x. We have variables on both sides. We cannot have variables on both sides. So we're going to subtract 2x from both sides and get 10 equals 3x minus 17. We're going to add 17 to both sides. We'll get 3x equals 27. We're going to divide by 3 on both sides, and x equals 9. Okay? So if you want to know the measure, all you have to do is take what x is equal to and plug it in here. Okay? So 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 10 is 28. 28 degrees. So if this angle is 28 degrees, what is this angle? 28 degrees. And then what's the whole thing? 28 plus 28 is what?
48.
What?
I mean,
56 degrees. 56. The whole thing is 56. Way to go! That's okay. We can make mistakes in here. No big deal.